on the horizon, partners. Our goal is in our sights. Here we are, fellas. Our destination. Incredible, it's just like my other house, but somehow different. The door. Oh, adventure awaits. Wow. Expert? What? Expert? What? What's going on here? What is that? I can't stand it anymore! You don't know what it's like having eggs all the time. I just wanted some freaking pasta! That's why I sent you on your journey. So I can just be left here alone, have some pasta, not any of those smelly, stupid eggs! You don't know what it's like. I just want to become a pastafarian, not an expert. It's not fair. No one ever understands. Especially not you. Now that you know my secret, I'll have to do away with you. But I only have one spoon. Who to kill?